Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Imagine a small duck carved from clay, sitting calmly by a pond. Its smooth, rounded body is formed in one slightly at the neck with the texture of the clay adding a stable grain of the surface. The wings are slightly raised as if the duck is preparing to flap them, adding the depth to the design. Tiny precious details mark the draped feet. The tail feathers are shaped in a fan-like pattern carefully swept to fan out in small sections. You can see the slight curve of the back leading into these tail feathers, creating a balanced and natural flow of the duck's body. The pond beneath the duck is hinted at with small soft ripples in the clay, testing the movement of water, reflecting the quiet lightness of the scene. Thanks for watching this video.